Alright, we're here at Building 2 at 158 Green Avenue here at the official elevator testing Roblox server here on Roblox. This building just recently opened a couple days ago. So let's take a look at the new elevators we got here. They appear to be glass, which is nice. And it looks like we've got some Otis. I wonder if these are traction or hydraulic. Let's go up to 4. Here we are at 4. And these appear to be Gen 2 traction. And I believe these might be Series 4. Here we are back on M. Let's go back up to 4. Here we are at 4. Let's take this one back down. Here we are back at M. We're gonna send this one up. Try to get the other one. There goes that one. Now let's get the other one. Pretty much identical. Just the panels on the opposite side. Here we are at 4. Let's go back down to M. Here we are at M. And we're gonna take another trip back up to 4. And we'll watch out the window this time. See the cable car station down there. And here we are up on the 4th floor. And we'll watch outside. Yeah. I'll have to take you guys up there on that cable car one of these days. We're gonna go back up to 4. But, just to show you guys something. These elevators are really nice. They're extremely smooth. Here we are at 4. Now, there goes that elevator. Now, I want to show you guys something here. From the looks of it, you can see where the other elevators are going to go in the other building. Because you can just see the floor numbers there. And judging by that little platform, it looks like they're going to connect these buildings together. So that would be neat to have a nice skywalk connecting these two buildings. So let's end the video down on the main floor. Get one last look at this. Here we are at main. There goes And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.